Assalamu alaikum viewers, you're watching Duniya TV, Aapki Screen Par. The Punjab Government has officially announced the schedule for winter vacations across all educational institutions in the province. According to the notification issued by the Provincial Education Department and confirmed by the Associated Press of Pakistan, the winter holidays will begin from December 23, 2025, and will continue until January 10, 2026. During this period, all public and private schools, colleges, and other institutions across Punjab will remain closed. Academic activities are scheduled to resume on January 10th. Officials say the decision has been made in view of the severe cold weather to ensure the safety and comfort of students and teachers. This is Anum Batool, Duniya TV, Aapki Screen Par, Allah Hafiz.